He was injured in the first half. On second down and 8, and that's tipped in, picked off by Davis. Beck in there tonight off the tip, reaching out. That's a catch.
Wow,
and a
that's
pick for
clean.
Ashtyn Davis.
Beautiful job by Davis, and we were talking about it. It just killed him to have to be out for big game.
Herbert out of the gun. Plenty of time. Fires a fastball over the middle, and it's intercepted. First he's thrown this year. Ashtyn Davis picks it off for the Cowbears.
Last chance for UCLA in the backfield, and down go the Bruins. Ashtyn Davis fitting that the senior hobbling a bit as he leaves the field made the play, but the Bears' 8th tackle for loss tonight seals it.
Couldn't get the push forward on third down, and then at fourth down, it got blown up.
It just got blown up. Ashtyn Davis came hot off the edge and stopped this play before it could even get
near Santa Cruz, where Ashtyn Davis was raised as a loose ball is picked up for no gain. If you haven't read it yet, as Cal's trying to convince the officiating crew that they've taken over possession.
Handoff right there. Davis was the first one to start to get a hand in there. And a bunch of teammates roll in. Luke Beckett has been involved in plenty of action throughout the game at the point of attack. So after his, got to get him involved.
Targeted him a couple times early, but to no avail. This time over the middle, what a pop as Jalen Red got hit.
Young safeties will panic in this moment, and they'll go hit the receiver. He waits. He separates the receiver from ball clean. That is a perfect strike zone. That's where this game they want.
Ole Miss needs the 36-yard line. Corral underthrown and nearly picked off. Ashtyn Davis, who walked onto the program 5 years ago, had to beg for a spot on the roster, and now is a potential NFL star in the future.
Academically as well. This is Ahmed with the carry, left side. He gets loose. Ashtyn Davis might have just saved the score. That's complete. Kane Ashtyn Davis knocks him out of bounds. 5-yard pickup.
He's on this Saturday afternoon in Berkeley as the shadows start to creep, running into them near a first down.